Hey you guys, it's Lynnea. Today I'm going to be playing with all 4 of the new Rina K Designs Neon Glitz Glitter Gels from ThermOWeb. And I'm going to be using a stencil. So this is the Pink and Main Petal Stencil. I sprayed the back of it with a light layer of pixie spray. Really, you don't need a lot of pixie spray. The idea is to just temporarily tack it down. So I just do an even 1 coat coverage. And then I'm going to scoop out some of the Neon Glitz Glitter Gels. This one is Poppin' Pink, and this is probably my favorite. And I'm using a stencil pal to spread this on. Now I have found that with these neons, I prefer to do a thicker layer of these Glitz Glitter Gels. I love the way that if you do a thick layer like this, the color is super opaque and super glittery. And I like a thick layer, but you could definitely do a thinner layer if you want. I should also mention that the Glitz Glitter Gels that I'm working with are just a sample size for me. The Neon Glitz Glitter Gels will be the same size as the original Gina K Designs Glitz Glitter Gels. This color here is the Orange Glow, and this is another one of my favorites. However, my camera doesn't pick up the neon orange color. It's so weird because the other ones it does, but the orange, it kind of dulls it down. This is definitely not a pumpkin orange color. This is a bright, bright orange color. So definitely check out the still photos that I'm going to have on my blog and on the ThermOWeb blog for this project, because you definitely need to see how neon orange this Orange Glow Glitz Glitter Gel is. And check that out. Super, super glittery. It's absolutely amazing. I'm going to be using the Electro-POP Neon Enamel Transfer Sheets, and these are also new from Rina K Designs and ThermOWeb. And I'm going to be die cutting them today with the Heart Puzzle die. So to do this, there's a couple different ways. I love the foam adhesive sheets from Decofoil. So I cut a piece of foam adhesive that's just a little bit bigger than that Heart Puzzle die. And then I'm going to lay this neon transfer sheet, this one is the Poppin' Pink, right over top of the foam adhesive. And then I'll trim away the excess. I'm using my fingers just to smooth out any bubbles. It's really, really easy. Trim away the excess, and then I will lay that heart die on top and die cut it. And I'm going to do this with all 4 colors of the Neon Enamel Transfer Sheets, the Poppin' Pink, the Orange Glow, Hello Yellow, and Screamin' Green. So this color here is the Hello Yellow, super bright, super vibrant, and awesome. And check out how well this die cuts. There's no need to peel this away from the foam transfer sheets. I'm just leaving it right in place as is. And it has this super fun, shiny candy coating effect. Absolutely amazing. They're like the enamel dots, but it's enamel everywhere. So it's super awesome. Like I said, I did it with all 4 colors. And then I'm going to do something super fun with these. I'm going to kind of pull apart all of these little puzzle pieces and piece them back together. So to do that, I wanted to have a cardstock backer so that I had somewhere to glue these. Now remember that I die cut with the double-sided foam adhesive sheets. So I could have definitely just removed the backer from the foam adhesive sheets and then kind of glued them down. I didn't think to do that. I just decided to work on this little cardstock backer piece. I just traced the outline of that die, and then I'm just going to start pulling apart these dies that I've cut from the Neon Enamel Transfer Sheets and literally puzzle piece them together. And I'm going to be alternating all 4 colors so that I don't have the same color touching each other. And when I'm done, I'm going to have 4 complete puzzle pieced hearts. Now, like I said, I did die cut these from the foam adhesive sheets, and I could have puzzle pieced them together, removing the foam backer one at a time. I didn't think of it, and when I went to remove the foam adhesive backer, I was like, well, this is going to take a long time. So I decided to just bypass that and use my iCraft Ultra Bond liquid adhesive all over the back of that puzzle piece die cut set, and then glue that onto a backer sheet just so that I can work with this heart puzzle piece die all at once. and check that out. I love those neon hearts all kind of puzzle pieced together. So here are all 4 of my neon glitz backgrounds. Remember that the orange doesn't show up true to color. It's much brighter in real life, much more neon. It's really an in-your-face neon orange. And especially with these neon enamels, this looks like such a Halloween-y pumpkin orange. It's not at all. It's super bright and super vibrant, and it coordinates so well with the rest of the neon collection. So I'm just going to assemble these cards. I have all 4 of my glitz backgrounds, all different colors. And then I have the neon enamel heart puzzle pieces. And all of them are different, but you know, the same because I just puzzle piece them together. I have some sentiment dies that I've die cut from black cardstock, and I have glued 3 pieces of black sentiments together just to have a little bit of dimension. I'm going to use iCraft Ultra Bond Liquid Adhesive to glue these onto that heart, and then I just have some heavy tools on it just to kind of let that Ultra Bond set and hold. And that's it for these cards. They're super simple, but they are so bright, vibrant, and glittery in real life. They make my heart so happy. Here are all 4 of my cards. I really hope that you've enjoyed this look at the Glitz glitter gels as well as die cutting the enamel transfer sheets. Thank you all for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.